Hi guys, Gian here of GadgetPilipinas.net. When we posted our unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Nova 5T on our YouTube channel, some of you asked how we managed to install Call of Duty Mobile on our Huawei Nova 5T. In today's video, we're going to give you a guide on how you'll be able to install, optimize, and play Call of Duty Mobile on Huawei Nova 5T. In case you guys want to know, the Huawei Nova 5T is powered by Kirin 980 chipset and it has 8GB of RAM and 128 of internal storage. Impressive gaming performance requires a highly capable chipset like the one on the Huawei Nova 5T, which is the Kirin 980. This chipset is similarly found on Huawei's flagship lines of products like Mate 20 and P30. The combined performance of Kirin 980 and 8GB of RAM and all the AI, power, and performance optimization features attached to it worked hand in hand to let me play this game without any issues. What is even good on this smartphone is its impressive display quality, which makes the games you're playing look even more stunning. Its 3750 mAh battery with included 22.5 watt charger are enough for you to enjoy using it for a day. Combine this with GPU Turbo 3.0, which optimizes the game being played in all the systems attributed to it, like CPU load optimization and heat, and you get yourself a smartphone that can definitely let you play flagship mobile games like Call of Duty Mobile. This one is priced at 18,990 pesos, and what you're basically getting here is a smartphone that would allow you to play your favorite games just like the Call of Duty Mobile. And apart from that, of course, we have the capability, or this one has the capability to take really good photos and videos. Now, at this point, I'm going to give you some pointers on what to install on your Huawei Nova 5T to get it ready for you to be able to play Call of Duty Mobile. This is something that we did not do during our unboxing. We did not remove the screen protector that is actually built into it. Alright. Now that the screen protector is out of the way, what we're going to do now is we're going to download the necessary applications for you to be able to play Call of Duty Mobile. There's one thing that is tricky here though. At the time of the production of this video, Garena already announced that they'll be bringing over Call of Duty Mobile in Asia. But all you have to do for that is to pre-register. But just in case you don't have yet an access for that, what we recommend is you download the application called TapTap Mobile Client. TapTap Mobile Client may be downloaded via Google Chrome. That would allow you to sideload the application that we will be needing. Now, the application that we will need is, of course, Call of Duty Mobile from US. For the purpose of our presentation, what we're going to be doing is to actually download a client of Call of Duty Mobile, that is the US version, and we're also going to use Proton Vpn as our main VPN application, and we will be using Australia as our VPN access. Currently, Call of Duty Mobile is available in Canada and also in Australia. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use Australia. The first thing that you need to do is download TapTap client, which is this one, and then look for Call of Duty Mobile. And then Call of Duty Mobile, search for US. Now, when you download that, click open, but when you do that, you will not be able to download anything unless you use a VPN application. Speaking of VPN application, we highly recommend that you download Proton VPN. When you open Proton VPN, you can actually use it right away. You don't have to subscribe to anything because it gives you several days of trial period. Once you've already used your trial days, then you can subscribe if you want to. Now for Australia, just click Australia and then look for Australia 13. Australia 13 is the only server that we're able to use and play Call of Duty Mobile. We're going to click that and click connect. Once you've downloaded Proton VPN and enabled Australia number 13, you can now then click or tap Call of Duty Mobile, confirm, download assets if needed, sign in or sign up using your Facebook account. Doing so will actually allow you to be able to progress through the game even outside closed beta. As you can see, we're now loading it. I'm just going to turn on screen recording here. And We're currently at tier 29. We're good at that. Now, as you can see, based on our settings, the smartphone is able to handle all the 3D environments and elements, and it's looking good so far. Now that everything is installed on a Huawei Nova 5T, it is time for us to put this to the test. We're going to play a few rounds of this game while recording it on this smartphone. Note that this smartphone is able to record your gameplay, and all you have to do is to swipe down, then click screen recording. Once that's recorded, you can actually post it right away from your smartphone. Now at this point, let's play a few rounds of Call of Duty Mobile. Let's do this. A few people, level 50s. Oh man. I hope we're able to keep up with these guys. So far, graphics is really nice. Textures are okay. Is that a Japanese guy? Nice. Nice. Good start, guys. Good start for us. Nice one. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, nice one. Ooh, we're gonna die here. For sure. At least the score is not bad. It's currently at 12-5. That is a not bad score, guys. Doing good so far. Let's just stay here a bit. Good job. Reload. Oh! Ooh, so far. One's coming. Oh, that 29. That's a good score. So far, we're doing good so far, bros. Oh. Oh. Hello. What are you doing? What? He came in. Let's go. What? Where is he? Oh! Ah! He killed me! He got me there, bro! Sige, let's go.
Cover me! Reloading!
Hello.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Oh, we're dead.
Tango down! Reloading!
Oh, he dead. I'm dead. Nagsayaw muna siya bago siya namatay. Where is he?
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Oh no, that's not good.
Tango down!
39-22. Medyo intense.
Reloading!
Oh, likod. No!
UAV online. Reloading.
Wow!
Keep on them. We're winning this one.
45. 5 more to go. 46. He's too far. Oh, man.
Grenade!
Yes! We did it! 50-28. And that's me right there. What? Good job. Are these the same guys? No, not. Not same guys.
Front line. We lost the lead.
Oh no.
Lost the lead. Reloading.
What's this? Oh! Killed him. Let's go.
Reloading. Down! Need backup! We've taken the lead. Grenade out! Get down!
Oops. Here. Oh, I see him. Nope.
Reloading.
Sorry, bro.
Headshot.
Where is he?
Enemy down. Friendly
Ha! 25-15. 25-15. That's not bad. We can do this, bros.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Contact with enemy. Tango down. Enemy down. Move.
Oh! Few people here. Oops. Oh! Someone's using a flamethrower, bro! Let's go.
Tango down.
Ooh! 43! 7 more. Let's use this.
Reloading. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Boom! 2 of them killed. 1 last guy. We got it again in the second round. That's it. That's about 10 minutes of gameplay, guys, of Call of Duty Mobile on Huawei Nova 5T. It's really good. I'm very impressed with the performance. It's really flagship quality. I cannot wait to pit this against the other smartphones by other brands. But so far, so good. So that has been our installation guide and gameplay of Call of Duty Mobile on Huawei Nova 5T. As I mentioned earlier, Huawei Nova 5T is now available in the Philippines for 18,990 pesos. Again, this has been Gian of GadgetPhilipinas.net. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please let me know in the comment section down below. We would appreciate if you can subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that every time we have a new video on our site, you will be able to see that immediately. All right. Again, this has been Gian, and we hope to see you soon on our next video.